Today I'll be showing you how to make a rustic bread salad. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need some crusty bread. If it's a day old, even better. Ripe tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, dry oregano, fresh basil, and salt and pepper to taste. We'll start with about 3 cups of the crusty bread. We'll add about 3 cups of the tomatoes, half a cup of basil, tablespoon of dry oregano, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. I like to let it sit for about an hour or 2 so it really sucks up the juices, and then you'll be ready to plate it. Here I have a food ring which I'm going to place in the center of the plate and add my salad. And you want to make sure that you press it down nice and firm so it doesn't go anywhere. You can also add fresh mozzarella to this if you want to jazz it up with some cheese. I like it plain. Press it down so when you unmold it, it doesn't go anywhere. Pick it up, add a little garnish of fresh basil, and buon appetito.